So we're back at the room right now, but I just wanted to show like real quick like what we packed Chloe. Wipes, that's a must. Shoes. Turn the TV down. Bunch of shorts, shirts. I'm gonna go through like every single thing, but her dresses, jeans. We have fresh new socks, dresses. Yeah, so there's like a whole bunch of stuff. I feel like when you pack with a toddler, you are like packing for 2 people. It feels like. So yeah, the essentials. This is a balcony room. Pretty nice room. Do like a quick tour. The room's kind of a mess, but you got, this is the front entrance. And you got this closet space. More closet space. Yeah. There we go. More closet space. More closet space. And you can put this up. It's pretty awesome. You got mirrors. It's pretty awesome. They gave us strawberries. Those are, I think that's a European outlet that you can use. So if you need a, you know, if you're traveling from overseas, they have those. I think that's what it is. Regular outlet. You got this nice couch. Turns into a bed. Lights. The bed itself, it's a mess. Sorry. And then that's the ocean view. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. This is the ocean view. It's pretty spacious, I must say. Let's see. That's a light switch. More lights.
Oh.
And the bathroom. Pretty nice. We'll check back in our room because this one's Jen's mom's room. So we'll check ours in a minute. Oh yeah, TV. Those cost money. This is your, you know, you can put your stash or wallet and stuff like that. Yeah. Refrigerator. Drawers. That's pretty much it.